Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover files with Zoho WorkDrive, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering files with Zoho WorkDrive, log into your Zoho WorkDrive account. Navigate to the dashboard where your files are organized. Locate the trash option on the left sidebar menu. Click on the trash option to access deleted files. Review the list of deleted files to locate the one you wish to recover. Once you find the specific file, hover your mouse over it. Click on the three-dot icon that appears next to the file name. From the drop-down menu, select the Restore option. Confirm the restoration process when prompted. The file will be restored to its original location within your WorkDrive. If you cannot find the file in the trash, check the Recent Activities section for possible changes or deletions. If necessary, use the search function to expedite your search for the lost file. Keep in mind that files in the trash are only recoverable for a limited time, usually 30 days. Make it a habit to periodically check your trash for any mistakenly deleted files. After recovering your file, ensure it's in the correct format and fully intact. If you encounter issues during the recovery process, consult Zoho's Help Center for additional support. Regularly backing up your important files can help prevent data loss in the future. Familiarizing yourself with Zoho WorkDrive's features can enhance your document management experience. Utilize folders and tagging to keep your files organized and easy to locate. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you can effectively recover lost files and maintain your productivity with Zoho WorkDrive. Take a moment to revisit your file recovery process regularly to ensure your documents are safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.